Hey guys, Iowa Mining here. So, it's Friday night. We're doing some cleaning. Nothing special. I have like 7 or 8 ASICs on the way here for next week though. So that's pretty exciting. You know, once Bitcoin starts going up in price, then everyone starts pulling the trigger on stuff. So I have quite a few ASICs coming next week. And yeah, it's pretty exciting. So, yeah, we're just here on a Friday night doing some cleaning. And yeah, hopefully everyone's doing good. And so we had a really hot week. It was 88, 90, which isn't hot for everybody, but it's hot for Iowa. Iowa usually get up to 95, 97 maybe for the mid-summer. So we got 98, or we got 88s and 90s this week. So we had some good testing, and to be honest, we did really good. So the temperatures weren't too bad. Today it's 52, and you can just hear the difference in here. You know, it's way quieter than my last video that I posted. So yeah, it's way quieter in here, which is great. And you know, we're gonna be like this for the next 10 days or so, which is good. Kind of calm down and and have all the machines running perfect. So yeah, pretty good and pretty excited. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch base, this being a Friday, and getting some cleaning done, and just kind of talk about the weather and everything, and how yeah, we made it through just fine. And yeah, we're pretty excited, pretty ready for the summer. It should be good. And yeah, hopefully everybody is doing good. There's not really much new out there. You know, Bitcoin miners are all kind of the same. I heard a little birdie told me that there might be something being announced here at the end of the month. You know, new Bitcoin miner. Litecoin and stuff, you know, we had the Alphapex announced, but I'm still thinking quarter 4 from what I've heard. Maybe the end of quarter 3, but it's going to be a little bit. But yeah, everything else is kind of, you know, calm. I don't know if the Leo miners, I don't think so. There's some new Casper miners, the KS7, I think the 40 terahash, 30 terahash. So we got those. I haven't had anyone saying they're going to send me one yet, but that's something that could happen. But otherwise, yeah, it's doing pretty good here. So if you guys are thinking about getting ASICs hosted, or just, you know, want to get one and just run it, I have an MOQ of just one. So I know that's a question I got asked today. What's the minimum order quantity? And one is the number. So I have a lot of clients in here that just have one miner, and that's fine. You know, or a lot of clients that start with one and then they slowly build. You know, add a second, add a third, add a fourth, and that's perfectly fine. You know, it kind of depends on what your situation is, but I can help anyone. Being a small miner, I can help you guys. I can help the small miners as well. So, yeah. Let me know how I can help. Send me an email at contact@iowamining.io. Otherwise, everybody, have a great night. Have a good weekend, and thanks for checking this out.